So yeah, hello everyone. It's 10:41 12 Jan. अभी recently एक trade लिया. एक बार order book दिखा देता हूँ. 10:37 को we shorted the market at 38,911. This is the active position. Stop loss हमने यहाँ रखा है 56 points. Very small stop loss. 9:11 38 31. Okay. 38 38 31 and yeah. So target is placed, stop loss is placed. Now let's just see क्या होता है. Setup again, once either our target or stop loss is set, I'll explain the setup after that. So yeah, I'll update you all how it goes. So I've trailed my stop loss to 38,947 and the price is now moving up. तो वो देखेंगे. Because this support was broken, I trailed my stop loss because अभी इतना point नहीं लगा मुझे इतना stop loss रख के 58 points sorry 56 points का. So yeah, that's it. Another bad thing है यहाँ पे volumes काफी high and upside आ चुका है. So this could. So another thing that must have happened here is कि एक fake out हुआ है यहाँ पे देखो support तोड़ा and then just reverse from here and look at the volumes over here. And like I told you ना कि once this trend line breaks, it is very likely that the market will push higher. So as long as this trend line is not being broken, अपना target is very likely to be achieved. And अगर अब वापस भी इसके नीचे चला गया ना this point का, then our target is like almost dead sure to be achieved. And अगर ये low टूटता है, I might bring my stop loss to cost. Let's see. Asha guys, so just an update. Now this is where our trade can, reverse, and this 470 might soon become zero, and we can even have a stop loss being hit because एक चीज देखो यहाँ पे almost 0.5 Fibo, a very nice strong candle, very nice strong breakout candle जिसने trend line तोड़ा and again ये same वापस reject हुआ है, which is good for us, but now it doesn't look like it's going to sustain. Like see, this is what, look at the volumes over here. So it's very likely that अभी अपना जो stop loss है hit हो सकता है, यहाँ से अपना stop loss hit हो सकता है, but I want you to understand that even though I'm thinking कि मेरा stop loss hit होगा, ज़्यादा chances है कि मेरे अभी stop loss hit होंगे as compared to my target being hit. I am not going to exit this. I can exit right now and still be in a 600 profit, but I don't want to because जब मैंने यहाँ पे entry किया था, I had a plan. This is my target, this is my stop loss. So that plan I have to stick till the end. Now अगर ये low टूटता है, I'm going to bring my stop loss to cost, and then we are going to be in this trade risk free. Until then, I'm not going to touch anything. Either मेरा ये low टूटना चाहिए या stop loss hit होगा. So I am very happy with this fake out, but honestly, looking at these volumes, I don't know अभी क्या होगा. Very dicey the market has been now. So let's see. So वही जैसे बताया आपको कि breakout आ चुका है and chances are a stop loss is going to be hit. And yeah, we're not going to do anything about this now. जाना है तो stop loss hit करके जाएगा. And no regrets about this trade. Very good setup. So yeah, let's just see अभी क्या होता है. It turned out to be a fake out. Now you see what I mean. When you respect your rules, when you respect your plan, you will be rewarded in the long term. Now what we'll do is, because itna bada correct, yeah, tip आया से, this level is very crucial. So we are going to further trail our stop loss. So एक second, I think if this low is broken, we just trail it to cost. Otherwise, I'm going to trail it just above this. So just let's wait for like 1 minute. अच्छा ये low टूट गया. First up, bring your stop loss to cost. जो अपना प्लान था वही हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं. So yeah, our cost is 911. Modify 911. 911. So now we are in this trade without any risk. Charges जाएगा मेरा, but there's no loss in this trade now. So yeah, our target has been hit, and this was a very lovely trade because एक तो we have to wait 1 hour for this. That was very normally इतना time I never take, especially on a short side trade. But ठीक है, 1 hour, 2K profit, and this is what I love about this trade, and this is what I'll always preach and practice with. That when you have a setup, when you have a plan and you have entered it, follow it throughout. यहाँ पे breakout आया and technical analysis will tell you that price is going to go above this, but we stuck to our plan, right? And what happened? It turned out to be a fake breakout and our target hit हो गया. And I think it's a very nice exit as well. We exited at this point. I was a little skeptical because this is the low point, right? And यहाँ से ही पहले bounce किया था. I was a bit scared कि what if it just goes back up, but good for us. It went a bit lower because क्या होता है ना, people who have gone long, they are going to have SL इसके थोड़े नीचे. They'll never have dot SL. They'll always have some buffer. तो वो buffer करने के लिए गया है यहाँ पे और stop loss hunt करने के लिए गया है. उनका stop loss was near our target, so luckily that got filled in. So now I won't be doing anything else for the day. I'm done for the day. I'll explain the setup now. So yeah, let's talk about आज का setup. So very first I'm just showing you my Telegram. So what did I say in the Telegram channel? 38,837 is the level I'm expecting Bank Nifty to reverse from. It was at 951, and let's go to a better time frame. So again, ऊपर remarked है, right, the level, and at around 10:20 we got the flip. Actually, this was the flip at 10:15, and बाद में यहाँ पे भी वापस यहाँ से reverse किया. So once this was reversed, I was like, okay, I have to go short. And I even told you about that on the Telegram channel for people who would like to join it. Description my link. So again, this was my flip level, and then what do? I just draw a simple trend line. All right, and where did I enter? I entered again. This time I did not wait for a retracement because normally short setups में क्या होता है? If you go for waiting for a setup, you might actually end up missing it. So that's why this time I did not wait for a shorting, retestment. जैसे ये आया, I shorted over here. My target was initially around 60 points. Alright, my target was around 56 points, and once this low was broken, I trailed it. तो तुमको पता है मैंने trailing कैसे किया, target का ये कैसे किया. Now another thing that I want you to understand from this very video that we're seeing is कि how important it is to stick to your rules. जब ये breakout आया, which according to any technical analyst means that now the price is going to go up, I did not budge, although I was still at some profit, and I was like, yeah, I could always avoid this loss. Because I'll be really honest, even I was expecting कि market यहाँ से अभी जा सकता है ऊपर, and I'll take my stop loss. And why was I thinking that? Because आज का day देखो आप, आज का day it was an uptrend. We traded against the trend. Understand? And when you trade against the trend, you cannot have huge targets. That's why I only had 80 targets. So 80 points. Let's say अगर मेरा target थोड़ा और होता 100 points. So look at the time I'll have to wait. यहाँ की जगह from 11:30 to rather have to wait till 1:30. Now इतना time देके it's not worth it. Normally इतना time don't give it to the market. Even today I was like, oh, why is my trade taking so long? Because it took me around an hour. Normally sell side trades 10 minute में हो जाते हैं. But anyways, flip level breakdown, and that was why I traded this trade. It was very simple, nothing complicated. But I really love this trade today because one, I stuck to my principles and they rewarded me. And I keep telling you all, right, how if you want to be disciplined in the long run, it's going to benefit you. और आज वो ही हुआ. So yeah, that's it. Nothing else. One thing that I just see is volume. और आप देखोगे अच्छा खासा volume build up भी था. So yeah, that's it. Another thing that I'll tell you was at this point now, why I was also nervous was all banks were at support. ये देख रहे हो आप, ये support हो गया, right? Support trend line. So HDFC Bank was over here, and it had made this big green candle, or was this big green candle? So I was like, oh my god, is HDFC Bank going to reverse from here? Because if HDFC Bank reverses from here, it's going to carry Bank Nifty as well. So yeah, that's it. And then actually we had 3 p.m. buying, but it was not very impressive 3 p.m. buying. Oh yeah. Yeah. तो let's say that अगर यहाँ पे 3 p.m. आप एक डॉट ये 3 p.m. 259 को खरीदा यहाँ पे, you would have got 48 points, but 48 points just ठीक है यार. मतलब I was expecting 100 points or something. तो वो तो नहीं आया. So anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.